Welcome back to my channel. Today we are sharing the ultimate tips for applying foundation to achieve that flawless makeup look. First things first, make sure your face is properly primed for the makeup to last longer. The next thing is to apply your foundation. Make sure that you dot the foundation on your forehead, your cheeks, your nose, and your chin. In my case, I didn't apply any foundation on the nose. I didn't want to apply too much product on the nose, so I just applied the foundation on the cheeks and then blended it out with my foundation brush. You can as well choose to blend it with a damp beauty sponge. That also works really well. So make sure that you blend everything out from your cheeks to your chin to your forehead and extend that blending to your nose and all the areas that you think needs foundation to be applied on, except your under eyes, because you're going to conceal that place with concealer. You can set your foundation with a translucent powder to lock it in place, or you can as well spray with a hydrating mix whilst you are blending it so that you lock everything in place for the rest of the makeup. This is a flawless foundation application that sets the stage for the rest of your makeup. Make sure that you choose the right foundation for the right skin. That is very important. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips.